governed by this country's laws, by almost universally accepted law. And yet you hide behind the Swiss law, even though you're operating here. And that's just simply not going to cut it.
Offshore bank accounts and tax evasion. It's a sore spot between the U.S. and Switzerland. The Swiss bank had about 22,000 accounts, totaling more than $12 billion.
Including things stolen by the Nazis. The UBS, the HSBC, and their affiliates were required to pay hundreds of millions of dollars in restitutions and penalties for unsavory business practices.
So far, it's provided only 238 names, or just about 1% of the total, to U.S. authorities.
In 2013, the Swiss criminal court brought forth the biggest case in the history of the Swiss judicial system.
This approach consisted of widespread witch hunt prosecutions,
with the most unlikely of scapegoats, Jacques de Groot. Now, had the Swiss authorities found an actual crime, or was this merely some sort of image campaign to protect the Swiss banking industry from deepening investigations from abroad? Jacques de Groot worked for the American company Appian Group, which had major investments such as Euro Disney, Citicorp, coal mines, and massive real estate ventures in France.
The level of manipulation regarding this is really unbelievable.
Also listed as employees on their board of advisors, former President George Bush and Lawrence Eagleburger.
In front of his name, former President, the United States of America.
Despite all this, Appian has been labeled a shell company by the Swiss authorities.
Doesn't sound like a shell company to me.
Officials discovered some evidence was missing.
With the undisputable facts surrounding this case, it is a legal mystery as to how the proceedings continue.
The more we discovered and the deeper we went into this research, the more we realized that this is a story that needs to be told.